Why this story matters. This piece offers a constructive counterpoint to the constant stream of negative news. Quick summary. This story highlights recent developments related to Asia, showing how constructive action can lead to meaningful results. Credit Rene Martin, American Museum of Natural History. Birds of paradise have long dazzled us with their incredibly vibrant and varied plumage, but researchers studying the group have recently made an even more incredible discovery. Plumage on 37 of 45 birds of paradise species emit biofluorescence, meaning molecules inside the feathers absorb UV light and release it as a yellow-green glow. From long spindly plumes to bright crowns and fluffy patches on the breast and shoulders, or even feathers so black they absorb light similar to a black hole. Birds of paradise, found throughout the islands of Australasia, are among the most demonstrative showbirds in the world. Would you like to read more good news about Asia, animal science, birds, Papua New Guinea, and Surprise? Why then would their plumage need even more razzmatazz? That's what ornithologists are wondering after a team of ichthyologists, fish scientists, revealed that the majority of birds of paradise emit biofluorescence from one or sometimes two or three parts of the body. The ichthyologists were studying biofluorescence in fish, and while sequestered among the collections in the American Museum of Natural History, they got to wondering what other animals displayed this trait. Using a UV light in a dark room, drawer after drawer of collected specimens of birds of paradise shone just like glow-in-the-dark stars under the scientists' inspection. Red bird of paradise, a species found to glow more than others. Credit J.J. Harrison via Wikimedia CC by Say 4.0. It could just be that the biofluorescent portions are helping enhance those displays even more, hypothesizes lead study author Rene Martin, a fish biologist at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Further fascinating discoveries followed. The first fascinating further discovery that birds of paradise had the biofluorescent trait in their mouths as well, and that the 8 species of birds that were noted to be monogamous had much more muted biofluorescence than those other species that paired up every year. Birds have one more photoreceptor in their eyes than humans do. This allows them to see more colors than us. Study co-author Emily Carr, a PhD student at the American Museum of Natural History, told the Audubon Society that birds of paradise also have a small drop of oil in their eyes that filter out certain wavelengths of light that might allow them to see the biofluorescence even more strongly. Brilliant birds, hummingbird chicks observed for the first time pretending to be caterpillars to avoid being eaten. As to why the feathers glow, all scientists are guessing it has to do with aiding the well-documented mating displays of various species, or even to establish some sort of social dominance. To me, the interesting part is that it's so widespread throughout the group. Edwin Scholes, who founded the Birds of Paradise project at Cornell Laboratory of Ornithology and was not involved in the study, told Audubon, "It's not just all tail feathers or all flank feathers or anything specific, it's pretty much all over the board." Watch the BBC's Classic Planet Earth footage of the Birds of Paradise embedded content article. Goodheadlines.org curates positive and solution-focused stories from trusted sources around the world.